beneficiaries of the global project that is being funded by the BMZ through Don Bosco Mondo and Don Bosco Africa. And Malawi is among the 11 countries who are beneficiaries of this global project. And for us, we are into the modernization, where we have bought equipment in 3 sections: the ICT, the welding, and the tailoring. See, these are old model Singer sewing machines. Now when they go to the industry after using this in technical college and they find electronic ones, therefore they cannot perform. We have purchased those machines in order to close that gap that has been existing in the technical colleges. Now when they move from that Singer, now they come to use this. Now when they use this machine, which is electronic, bought from the global project funds, and this type, this model, and this kind of system is definitely what they are going to get in the industry.
We really appreciate the global project. It's really an important project because we're changing from the old way we use our things, like we use the manual machines. Now that we have the modern machines from the global project, it's really modernized, and then we really like the idea. It's really important that we use manual machine, the electrical machines, that the things are done really fast, and it's really appreciated in the market.
We have this donation because it is going to help our students from the old model machine to this new model machine. And then there's no a big gap when they go out there, because what they're going to meet there, they have already done here. So when they go out, they will be able also to use the other machines which they will meet outside there.
This is the ICT. Moving from Pentium, whether 5 or 6 or 11, I'm not sure, to HP, the i7 version, with the smart board, with the projectors.
I want to thank the Global Project for the new computers, the i7, which are fast, they produce less amount of heat, and they also support advanced applications, and they also support visualization, which are important to us as technicians.
We are moving from a simple machine like this, working though, and moving to modern ones that we have purchased from the global project. These are modern tools, modern equipment that we have purchased and saving, and you can see they're all lined up there in the workshop, giving us a clear view that things are really going the way we would want them to go.
Because now we are using the modern equipment. First we are using the old machine. Because of these things are very fast, and we have seen so many changes because of this modern equipment.
This is very beneficial because most of the problems that we have as technical colleges are the equipment. So equipment, and equipment that fits the industry, that helps us to train the young people for the industry.